Welcome to True Life Lessons, the place where every story reminds you that success doesn't come from luck. It comes from the way you think. Here we explore calmness, clarity, and the power of a disciplined mind. Because once you master your thoughts, you can shape your life in ways you never imagined. So take a deep breath, let go of the noise around you, and allow this story to speak to the part of you that's ready to grow. You know, sometimes the hardest battle we fight isn't with the world, it's with our own mind. There was once a boy named Sam. He was smart, full of potential, and had one big dream: to become a doctor. Everyone believed he would make it. His parents, his teachers, even Sam himself. But there was one problem. Sam couldn't control his mind. Every time he sat down to study, his thoughts drifted away, sometimes to his phone, sometimes to social media, and sometimes to daydreams that took him far from his goal. He kept telling himself, "It's fine, I'll study later." But later never really came. Then, one day, the results of an important scholarship exam came out. Sam was sure he would do great, but when he saw his name, it wasn't there. He had failed. The same teachers who once praised him now looked disappointed. And in that moment, sitting alone in his room, Sam finally understood. Intelligence means nothing without discipline. That day changed him. He realized he didn't need another book. He needed a teacher who could help him master his own mind. And that's when he met Coach Miller. Coach wasn't just a PE teacher. He was known for helping students find focus, balance, and control. Sam told him, "Coach, I can't stay focused. Every time I try to study, my mind jumps everywhere." Coach smiled, walked to the sports field, and handed Sam a toy bow and arrow. He pointed at a target board and said, "Hit the center." Sam took the bow, aimed, and missed. Coach asked gently, "What were you looking at when you shot?" Sam replied, "The trees, the field, and the board." Coach nodded and said, "That's your problem, Sam. You're looking at everything except the target." A focused mind sees one thing and nothing else. That moment hit him deep. He realized that during study time, his trees were his phone, his distractions, his thoughts. He wasn't missing because he wasn't smart. He was missing because his mind was scattered. Coach Miller gave him 4 simple rules to follow. 1. Control your thoughts. When your mind wanders, gently bring it back. 2. Create a daily routine. Teach your brain when it's time to work and when it's time to rest. 3. Remove distractions. Keep your phone away, no excuses. 4. Practice every day. Discipline grows one habit at a time. Sam took those words to heart. He made a schedule, kept his phone out of reach, And every time his thoughts drifted, he reminded himself, "My goal is to become a doctor." At first it was hard, really hard. But day by day, he began to notice something amazing. His mind started to obey him. Hours of focus became normal. His confidence returned. Months later, Sam took another big exam. And this time, he didn't just pass. He came in first place. When he walked on stage to receive his scholarship, he remembered Coach Miller's words. "The mind is like a wild horse. If you don't train it, it will drag you wherever it wants. But if you discipline it, it will carry you to your destination." From that day forward, Sam lived by one simple truth: train your mind, and success will follow. Maybe you too have big dreams, but your mind keeps wandering. Don't be too hard on yourself. Start small. Build one disciplined habit each day, because success doesn't start with luck or talent. It starts with a focused mind. So, tell me in the comments, what's your wild horse? What's the one thing you need to train in your mind today? And
if this story inspired you, share it with someone who needs a reminder to stay focused. Like this video and subscribe True Life Lessons for more stories that awaken your success mindset.